Good afternoon, YouTube viewers. Alright, my name is Tamba Timothy. The name of the channel. Okay. So I don't usually make videos like this. This is my first ever YouTube video I've actually set out, actually made a stage for it. So yeah, I'd like to hear your comments and how I could improve it any better. But for now, I don't really have an actual studio. So yeah, I'll just work with what I have. So today I'll be unboxing the Dell 27-inch monitor. Okay, its model would be Dell SE2717H. That will be the model you'll actually search on the internet to find the specific monitor I'll be reviewing today. So without any further ado, the Dell 27-inch monitor. Okay, so this is it. Dell 27-inch monitor. I actually purchased it for okay. I purchased this from Take-A-Lot. Yeah, I actually trust the delivery services, so I'm just hoping it arrived in good condition. If not, there is a warranty, so I will take it back immediately. So okay, first let me just give you the information that is on the box. Okay, there it is. Okay, so the Dell 27-inch monitor, SE2717H, 27-inch stylish display, AMD FreeSync supported, ultra-wide viewing angle, 178 degrees, over 178 degrees. Okay, for those who don't understand the part where it says AMD FreeSync supported, that's for computers that have the AMD graphic card in them, integrated or installed. Yeah, it will be able to FreeSync. It's more or less like the NVIDIA G-Sync, but this screen supports AMD FreeSync. It helps synchronize your game's frame rate whenever you're gaming with the monitors. So the refresh rate will be adjusted to the frame rate of the game. Okay, so let's get to it, unboxing the Dell 27-inch. So I will leave a link in the description below on the specifications, like in-depth specifications of this monitor. Okay, I have my kitchen knife with me. I don't necessarily have any specific dedicated equipment for unboxing, so I'll just work with what I have now, so bear with me. Alright, so the first thing you find is manuals. Those are the first things you find. An instruction on how to assemble the screen. So here's one of the disappointing things about this monitor, is that it doesn't come with an HDMI cable, so you have to like buy your own HDMI cable. It comes with a VGA. I'm never going to use this cable, I promise. Promise myself. HDMI. This is the stand, part of the stand. Okay. Nice. Metal is one of the reasons I got it, because the entire stand is made out of metal. Metal is strong and much durable than plastic, so. Okay, another component of the stand, which is also solid metal. Wow. Oh, this thing is actually built right. Solid metal. The power cable, normal or default. A box, shape box. Okay. Wow, this is big. 27-inch monitor. Looks good. Laptop, so the sound won't be really that good because they're from laptop speakers, so just concentrate on like the vision. I hope you can see it, it's clear enough. Oh, okay. Which is actually winning with. With that tool, like I just have a feeling you want to hit something, man. You slow down then. What the? When I get looking shop.
No, I think you shop. I think let's just.
Yeah?
Let's just keep it this way. Oh yeah! Oh, what did I press?
Vehicle damage grade.
I can't be critical.
Yeah, hello key.
Ah, son.
This is like the end of the video, so thank you for watching my video, and please comment or like my video if you actually liked it. If you dislike it, then I'll try changing some of the things the next time I actually make another YouTube video as a YouTuber. So thank you for watching my video, and goodbye from Timothy. Okay, I don't even really know the name of my channel, but yeah, wherever you are, from that place, goodbye.